have done is that this particular area we have kept only for the temple, and that is why we have made this step up in order to separate the flooring of the temple from the living area. And very carefully selected tiles. These tiles that you can see, which are like very floral tiles, and specifically only for the temple. And as I said, that my client is a South Indian, and they really love these tiles, and it goes very well with their personality. The color schemes that you see, there's brown, and there's like beige and greens, and so it's like very interesting flooring, defining the flooring area for the temple. Similarly, now I'll take you to the ceiling. Now we have taken the same ceiling on top. The area is the same, whereas if you see the design, we have made this dome very beautifully highlighted again, with the gold in full and this beautiful light hanging. It creates a very interesting, and it gives that a very holy vibes to this entire setup. This entire space is dedicated to the temple, so that when you have people coming over, or if you're having some pujas where you invite a lot of people, so people can sit. They have enough, like so many people, and still if you have more people, then we have kept that living area and open to the temple, so that everybody can be accommodated, and पूरा माहौल एक बहुत ही प्यारा माहौल बन जाएगा यहाँ पे. And as you can see, these two bells we have hung here. We have purposely, if you see, we could have created a symmetrical look with both the bells, but we tried to create that interest with one a little lower and one a little higher here. And all of these carvings that you see and the design that you see on the temple has specifically been designed for this particular client. Now, one very interesting thing which our client loves in this temple is this tray that we have specially made, so that when you have like too many things kept on the platform, they can extend this and they can make use of this as well. And usually this comes very handy when you have these pujas, and now during Diwali it was very handy for them. Yeah, so if I show the different kind of lightings that has been done here, so you can see that these are various kind of lighting options, and you can actually create the various aura, just keeping that dim light, or else you could just keep these and then